everyone, Amy here with Jig and Chisel Woodworks, and welcome back to another part of our Women in Woodworking series. Today we're going to be highlighting Raina Nicole Woodworks. She has an amazing space, an amazing ability to make very large furniture in a relatively small shop. Great organization in the shop that she set up to be able to do that, and it's really impressive. She also does really complicated and fun joinery and is really good at filming it in just a way of her process that makes me think that, oh, I could do that. That doesn't look that hard. But really, they are very complicated joints, but really fun to see them come together in her large furniture pieces. And you should go check her page out and see what she's been up to. Thanks. Have a great day.